Hi, and welcome to this video on how to open Metamask or create a new Metamask wallet. First, visit metamask.io or search for Metamask on Google. Then click on their main page. Once there, look for the Create Wallet or Connect to Your Wallet button. If you can't find it, click on View Metamask Portfolio, which will take you to a page where you can either log in to your existing wallet or create a new one. For this tutorial, we'll create a new Metamask wallet. Click on Create Metamask, and you'll be directed to a page where you need to agree to Metamask's terms and conditions. After ticking the box, click Create Metamask Wallet. Next, you'll see information about Metamask collecting basic usage and diagnostics data to improve the app. This data is private, general, and optional. You can choose whether to share your data or not by clicking I agree or No thanks. For this tutorial, I'll select I agree. You'll then be directed to a page to create a password for your new wallet. Ensure your password is strong and secure. After creating your password, tick the box acknowledging that Metamask cannot recover your password, as crypto transactions and passwords are non-recoverable. Finally, click Create New Wallet to complete the setup. Next, you'll be prompted to secure your wallet immediately or later. It's highly recommended to secure your wallet right away using the secret recovery phrases, as delaying this step increases the risk of getting hacked. Click on Secure Wallet, which will take you to the Secret Recovery Phrases page. These phrases are the key to accessing your wallet, so it's crucial to store them in a safe place. Avoid taking photos or screenshots of the phrases, as losing them puts your crypto funds at high risk. To view your recovery phrases, click Reveal Recovery Phrases. Carefully write them down in order from 1 to 12 on a piece of paper, ensuring accuracy. Any mistakes could mean losing access to your wallet. Once you've written them down, click Next. You'll then be asked to verify the recovery phrases by filling in the correct words in the empty spots. After successfully verifying, click Confirm. On the next page, you'll be notified that your Metamask wallet has been successfully created. Remember, Metamask cannot recover your secret phrases or password, so it's entirely your responsibility to store them safely and never share them with anyone. Once you understand these safety warnings, click Got It, and you'll have access to your wallet. As you can see, your wallet is now set up on the Ethereum mainnet and ready for trading, sending, and receiving crypto. That's the step-by-step process to open a Metamask wallet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.